Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon potato. So to start with our potato, we're going to just kind of begin with the shape. So I'm going to draw the top half first. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just goes up, and then I'm just going to kind of curve up, and then kind of round down like this. Then right here, I'm going to make this a little longer, and then I want to start right here, not here, but up here a little bit. And I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves out, and then down a little bit, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this up and over like that. Now, I want to give this potato a face. So, starting here, I'm just going to draw a circle for an eye. And then right here, I'm going to make another circle for an eye. And then I'm just going to put two circles in here and then kind of color in the rest of it. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Two circles in here, then just color the inside. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little smiley face. And then I'm going to draw a little bit taller smiley face so the mouth looks open. And a little curved line for a tongue. And then I'm just going to color in this part right here. Now for some details on our potato. So I'm just going to draw a couple little lines around the edge. And this just kind of makes it look a little bit more realistic. Then I'm also going to go and I'm just going to draw some partial circles like this. So it's like I'm drawing a circle or oval and I'm just not quite closing it up all the way. These are kind of like all the little bumps and holes, or they call them eyes on the potato. So I'm just going to draw a couple of these around here. Put one more right here. And then I'm just going to go and I'm just going to add a few little dots on here, just to kind of give it more of a potato look. And I think I'm going to give it some eyebrows. I think that will help make it look good. And there you go. There's your drawing of a cartoon potato. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.